Traditional agriculture depends on land, climate, and seasons. But what if you could grow fresh, premium produce anytime, anywhere? Unlike conventional facilities that require heavy upfront investment and long construction cycles, our container grow system makes it easy to start. Installation is fast. Deployment is effortless. This is a truly mobile farm, free from land and environmental constraints. From city centers to remote islands and arid deserts, local food production becomes possible everywhere. Leveraging its modular design, we have developed Container Group solution that upgrades microfarms into a scalable, distributed production system. Our professional strawberry container enables year-round harvesting with stable yields. With innovative energy-saving systems and a new growing structure, it delivers higher density and greater output. Our Leafy-greens grow containers support the cultivation of hundreds of crops from lettuces to herbs, allowing flexible and rapid response to market demand. Equipped with highly automated environmental control systems, they significantly reduce labor costs. Through our intelligent software platform, you can remotely monitor and manage your farm. Beyond yield and efficiency, we deliver uncompromising crop quality. Grown in a sealed and fully controlled environment, our vegetables and strawberries are consistently clean, nutritious, and rich in flavor, free from pesticide residues, heavy metal contamination, added hormones, and artificial ripening. With stable and reliable production unaffected by seasons or weather, this is the promise of our container farming solution. Ready to redefine agriculture? Join us and begin your journey toward localized, sustainable food production.